Hey guys, welcome back to my channel one more time. My name is Preet and you're watching Info at a Glance, your very own immigration ease, where you watch videos and you become boss of your own immigration. And today I'm back with another important update which was around just 2 days back, and this is really helpful for students who are waiting for their application to be approved and they are currently studying online. Or they are thinking of starting their studies on an online platform right now because their visa application is not yet processed. So before I dig into the update, if you have not subscribed to my channel yet, then please consider doing so and do press the bell icon for all the latest updates on Canada immigration. So as we all know, there is a huge delay in the application processing irrespective of all categories of visas which are currently filed for Canada. And IRCC also recently announced that they have approximately 1.8 million applications which are currently pending, waiting for their final disclosure or resolution to come up. Now, considering that particular situation, students who are applying for colleges, students who are planning to study abroad in Canada, they are actually waiting for their applications to be processed, and for some reason they are not able to get to their resolution. That is why it is important for all the students who are applying for their visas for an upcoming intake. They should at least keep a good buffer of up to 6 months, looking at the current delay in application processing when they apply and when they consider their course and their semester. Now, to make that easier, IRCC has recently announced that all the students who studied starting from March 2020 until August 2022, if they have completed their study during this particular time period, they will be eligible to apply for a postgraduate work permit irrespective they have completed their 100% study online. Now, this can be a great news for those who are currently studying online and they are waiting for their applications to be processed, and this can also be a great news for those who are planning to consider the upcoming Jan intake or maybe May intake and they have not submitted their application. But the catch over here is very important for you to understand that the time you will be studying before you apply for your visa will not be considered for your application, will not be considered in your online study duration. So it is recommended before you start your studies online for any of the institutions in Canada, you should have an application on, and that means you should have an application already applied on IRCC portal for your study application. It should not be the case that you have only submitted your fee to the college and you have started taking your classes. And cherry on the cake for this particular update is that even if your course was for 1 year or if your course is for 2 years also, you are still eligible to apply for the postgraduate work permit provided your application for the visa was already submitted before you started your online studies. Now, there is one more important catch over here for you to understand, that whenever you choose a college or a university to study in Canada, that particular university or a college should be DLI approved. And when I say it should be DLI approved, that is a designated learning institution, and there is a list given in the description box below. All the information which I am sharing with you, all the sources are also available in the description box below for the complete information and insight, so you can definitely check it out. So if your college or your institution is DLI approved, that is not enough. Your college or your institution should be eligible to provide you a postgraduate work permit, and that applies to your course as well. So before you choose your course and before you choose your college, please do the homework very carefully to choose the right college and institution. Also, cross-checking the information that the course or the college is eligible to provide you the postgraduate work permit or not. If it is, then you are good to go. Even if you have completed your complete studies online during the stimulated time period which I have just given you, which was from March 2020 till August 2022. And students who already have their applications pending for the upcoming Jan intake and they are waiting for their final resolution, and if they are considering or if they have second thoughts with their application, but if their college or the institution is providing them a platform to study online, they can definitely do it. So that was a complete update which was recently introduced just 2 days back, and it was important to cascade and spread the awareness. And so if you have any friends, if you have any peers who are interested in Canada immigration, or if somebody who has already an application pending, so do consider sharing this information with that particular person, because that's going to be really helpful. So that's all for today. So don't forget to like and share the video with your peers who are interested in immigration, especially for Canada. I continue to make videos on all aspects of Canada immigration, and I already have a lot of content already available on my channel, which I have linked everything down below. And don't forget to subscribe to my channel and press the bell icon for all the latest updates on Canada immigration as well. If you want me to assess your possibilities, I'm always available for you. You are more than welcome to connect with me on my Instagram handle. The barcode is on your screen. It's info@aglance21. I will be happy to revert back basis my work availability. And I'll see you next week with another amazing immigration update. Until then, bye-bye.